because we will roast them, mix them all together, and keep them inside the aviario until tonight at 10 p.m. when the exhibition finishes. Now let me show you something. We need to serve salmon and chicken, and we will serve it with some products that are inside this special tray. Now we will cut the chicken, we will see the salmon as well. And look, this is a warm tray, 70 degrees. Quite hot temperature, but we are not actually cooking what's inside. We are only preserving it hot. Why is this tray special? First of all, because it's heavy, because there is 500 grams of products inside, even more, I think 1 kilo. If I try to open it, it's impossible, because this is the first tray in the world which is vacuum sealed. If I want to open it, I need to lift up this special lid, this special valve, and the sound that you heard was the oxygen, which is not going out, it's going back inside, because there wasn't any oxygen. And I have basmati rice, hot, ready to be served. Now the point is, now we need to try to think of a menu in a restaurant. All of the food that we can cook a la carte, like salmon, usually I do on the pan, on the fry top. Chicken I do in the oven or I do in the grill. For all of the food that it takes a short amount of time and I can cook express, I use speedex. But for all of the food that takes a long time of cooking, of course I need to cook before the dinner or before lunch. I cook it. Usually in the restaurant we cook and chill. So we cook, chill or blast chill, and then when I receive the order at lunch or dinner, I put in the oven to quickly regenerate and rethermalize the product. Here we are giving another solution to the customers. Cook inside the oven and keep it hot. But think about, this is called hot, cook and hold. You know, you go to hotels for breakfast. They cook before breakfast and then they keep it hot for 2-3 hours. But if they could keep scrambled eggs, after 30 minutes they create a dry surface. If they put beef bacon or turkey bacon, it's not crunchy. After 20 minutes it's all soggy. If you go to a wedding, they have a catering, or they have a buffet for school canteen, hospitals, the quality is not great, because they need to cook and keep hot, but keeping hot is difficult. And here we want to challenge this type of technology, this concept, and show you that we can keep food hot for a long time. Being able to serve the customers, like we are doing at the moment, and for the first time ever, with a click of a button, I vacuum a hot tray. Usually, a vacuum machine can only vacuum what? Cold food or hot food? Cold food. This is why we need to cook and chill. Because if the food is hot in the vacuum bag, all of the humidity will destroy the vacuum machine. This is a vacuum machine that works with hot food. So I can cook something and keep it hot inside here. I keep it hotter without oxygen, because now the pump is taking away all of the oxygen, and without oxygen I can keep the food hot for a long time. Imagine, for a hotel, I have rice that I can use for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, and for room service as well. Now this is the result of the salmon in 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Still juicy inside, and you will try it at the moment, in a second, but still completely cooked. And look at the result of the chicken. What is the most difficult part to eat of the chicken? The breast, in my opinion, because it's always, it's difficult to eat. It becomes dry quickly. Chicken thighs, if I even cook it for a little bit longer, they stay juicy. This is why I prefer chicken thighs. But now, the chicken breast, in 5 minutes and 30, usually 5 minutes and 30 is not even the time to cook the rest of the chicken. half chicken. Now you will try it, you will smell and see if there is some flavor contamination between salmon and chicken because we cook them together. But by using a special basket, special trays made in Teflon, we can cook all of the juice, all of the fat, all of the grease will stay in the basket and we don't contaminate all of the food inside. Now, what I want you to try is the combination of these two technologies. Something that we cooked at the moment and something we kept hot for a long time. This will be the fastest dish that you will ever receive. Salmon fillet, 2 minutes. Not pre-cooked from raw. And I need you to try how. Don't focus on the marination of the chicken, or if the salmon is missing some salt whatsoever.